everyone, welcome to my channel, and if this is the first time watching, welcome. Now, what is the first thing millions of people do as soon as they're up in the mornings? Let's take a guess. They head on straight to the kitchen. Now, what is it that they do in the kitchen early in the mornings? They make themselves some boom, 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 boom coffee. All right, so as soon as they get in the kitchen, they are reaching for the coffee pot, they're reaching for the percolator, they're reaching for the espresso machine and making themselves a cup of coffee to get them going in the morning. Now, a lot of people cannot go without doing this. Other than that, in the day, they're gonna be slouchy, they're gonna be sleepy, and they're gonna feel basically drained not having their cup of coffee. Well, I am here to tell you that there is something else that you can actually drink in the mornings that is much better than drinking a cup of coffee. Now, ooh, this lady is crazy. No, I am not crazy. I am going to share with you well, not so much of a secret. I'm going to share with you a drink that you can have first thing in the morning, every single morning, before that cup of coffee, before anything else. That is going to do wonders for you throughout the day. It's going to revitalize you. It's going to energize you. It's going to keep you awake. It's going to help you to stay focused. And it's going to basically make your day much pleasant and much more easier. So if you're interested in this awesome drink, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you what this is all about. And here it is. And in case you're wondering what those are, these are lemons. And lemons is what you should be drinking in the morning. Okay, now here I have 2 lemons and I'm going to show you how to prepare this lemon drink. Now, before you use any lemon whatsoever, you want to make sure to wash them properly. Now, personally for me, I like to wash my lemons by soaking them in some vinegar. So here I have my lemons, and right now I have some vinegar and I'm going to pour it on the lemons. Okay, so there is the lemon and I'm going to let them sit in this water for a couple of minutes, and that is just to get rid of all the chemicals, all the wax and all of those things that they put on lemons to preserve them. Now, also make sure to use organic lemons. Now, regardless of what lemons I am using, I still do this process. I still wash my lemons and I still make sure I get rid of all the wax and the chemicals that is on the lemon. Now, once this is out of the way, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to prepare my lemon drink. Now, to prepare my lemon drink, I normally do a few steps. Now, here is the lemon, and for me, I use a grater. So, a great part of the lemon that people tend to ignore is the lemon zest. So, to make my lemon water, I am gonna first zest the lemon. Now, you know the reason why I do that extra step, to make sure that my lemons are totally clean. Now, once I have this lemon zest, take your time here. Where are we using the zest? Now, here is my lemon zest. A lot of you are going to be like, oh, that's way too much work. But no, it's basically the same time you take to put your coffee filter in. Okay, so now the lemon zest is ready. And I'm going to take a glass jar and I'm going to put my lemon zest in. And here's my glass jar with the lemon zest. Now that that is out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to juice the lemon. Okay, now you want to get rid of the seeds. However, there are many out there who claims that the seed is also great for you. But for my lemon water today, I'm going to be skipping the seeds. So next you want to make sure to juice the lemon. Now, here we go. And I'm just going to juice this right into the jug that I'm making the lemon, right? Now, if you have a juicer and you do not want to juice the lemon the good old-fashioned way, then go ahead and use your lemon juicer to juice the lemon, all right? Now, you could also choose to put all of this pulp and good stuff in the lemon juice. But just for demonstration today, I'm just going to be juicing the lemons as is. However, go ahead and scoop your lemon pulps into your water. Now, the fact that I've already zested the lemon, there is no need to put the lemon skin in unless you want to use it for decoration. So now that we have our lemon zest and our lemon juice, I'm going to pour water in. Now, for one large lemon, you could use up to 16 ounces of water. So I'm going to just pour my water in the jar. And guess what? The beauty about this is that you can actually make enough for a day or two. After drinking your lemon water in the morning, then wait for another hour or so, and then go ahead and make your regular morning coffee. Okay, so there you go. Coffee is really not out of the game. It's just not the first thing that you drink in the morning. Okay, guys? So there you have it. Quick, easy, pretty simple. Everyone basically can do this. If you don't have lemon, reach for some lime and make yourself some lemon water first thing in the mornings. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, leave a comment, share the video, thumbs up the video if you like it, and if this was the first time watching, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.